Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you another affordable curly hair wig that I received from a company called Aeon Hair. I received their 360 Brazilian version hair wig with baby hair, and the texture is a water wave texture. As you can see, I'm just showing you here how the packaging was. I love the wrap that the hair came in. I thought that was a nice added touch. I love when the company send you extra storage as well for you to store the hair. So this is what the hair looks like coming straight out of the pack. Like I just mentioned, it is a 360, so it does have lace all around the wig. There is an elastic band attached to the wig, as well as 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back as well. And this is a pre-plucked lace front wig, and it does have some baby hairs already on the wig. So here I'm just going to show you, I always start off with a wig cap. I go ahead and I secure the wig cap with my Gots to Be glue free spray. And I am not a perfectionist when it comes to this, and I'm not a professional, so I just do it to my liking and attach the wig head to my head. I attach the wig cap to my head, and then I just go ahead and cut it around the sides. And I also go ahead and add some foundation. I added to the lace front wig as well. I did not have to bleach the knots on this hair, so you are seeing this hair freshly washed. And I also put some leave-in conditioner in the hair, and I'm going to pop it up on the screen so you can see the type of leave-in conditioner that I use. So because I'm about to get ready to go on vacation, I love the inch of the hair. I'm not too sure what the inch is, but I will put it down in the description box. But I wanted to go ahead and make the hair shorter because I am going to be wearing this wig on vacation, and I wanted it to be above my shoulder. So I did take the scissors and cut the hair a little bit, and I went ahead and I made sure that I framed my face as well. And after I did that, I defined the curls with some of my styling foam. As you can see, the curls they're so juicy and so nice looking, and the styling foam left a nice shine on the hair as well. This is my favorite styling foam, so if you have any type of curly hair, this is definitely a staple product that you want to have for your curly hair routine. Absolutely love it. You can use mousse as well. I love mousse, but the styling foam just give it a different touch. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the steps to the other side of my hair. And I didn't have any shedding or anything with this hair. The only con that I have with this hair, as you can see, the curls are absolutely gorgeous with the product in, and before you put the product in as well. I love how big it gets, and then how you're able to define the curls with the product in it. The only con that I have with this wig is that I don't like the 360 lace, because with it being a lace around the back, I just feel like the fit was a little different and it made it tighter than what it usually would be. So that was the only con that I have for this hair. I love how juicy the curls are. Y'all know I love my curly hair, so this is just like everything to me right now, and I cannot wait to rock this on vacation. So I'm definitely going to put all of the information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.